Oh, okay.
So good, get
Stella, yeah.
Mustard.
How does he survive?
He's so hungry.
He must take a big mouthful. Anyway. God's sake, don't be shy.
Oh, lopper.
Right, it's stealing all your
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing to the red one? What are you doing to the red one? Why aren't you feeding him?
How else will he survive? Red one. Red one.
He's quite plump.
Where's the red one? Why doesn't he eat properly? Why doesn't he?
What eats up? So much feed, so little time.
Oh God, hungry hippo.
You must take bigger mouthfuls. It's the only way you survive. We compare that with the creek. Look, this one. It's actually pissing it out.
Look at him. Look. Look.
Like a babe.
I've got to swim closer.
It's up.
Wait. It's
Wait,
not
here we go.
Come on. Come on, little red one. Little red one. Little red one. Little red one.
Come on.
Look at him. I've got to go close up a little red one.
This is your chance. We're giving you a
I'm
chance.
ready.
We're so lucky. I think I've got... No.
Oh, no, cheesy.
We'll get a bit of protein. We'll get a bit of protein in there. Come on.
Mate, they won't peck anymore. They won't peck.
Pecking away. Look, they love... They just can't get enough.
They won't peck the cheddar.
They cannot get enough.
Oh, look, he's having to go to the cheddar. Look at red one.
The red one, this is where he comes... This is red one's time to shine. This is my time to shine, he said when we got it out. Look at him.
Hold on, fella.
She needs a little bit of condiments.
Yeah, a bit of mustard. There you go. Put a bit of mustard on there. Ooh.
There's one head go up and down.
Any delicious breakfast.
Mini
Blair?
Oh, mini Blair was.
I'll tell you what, why don't I get something out of this little box?
Mate, look at these.
Gets me every time.
Oh, cheddar.
Just sit the cheese and the meat. Bit of ham.
Oh, you took it off.
There's another one over there on that.
Oh, hammy.